So I'm here with Carys, who is the director of Albert, and we've just completed one of our brand discovery workshops. There's a bit more work to do, which I'm going to follow up on. So, Carys, would you mind sharing a little bit about the how that was for you and the gang?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it was brilliant. Thanks for facilitating it. I think um, it was certainly very thought-provoking and collaborative. It was also helpful kind of to hear what my team thought of our brand and where we are and where we're going to. Um, it's not often you kind of have conversations about, if your brand were a pop star, who would it be? Those kinds of things. Really, really fun, witty, thought-provoking session. And it's kind of helpful to interrogate your own kind of personal view of the brand that you're representing and who you want it to be and how you want to fit in with it. So yeah, extremely helpful. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you very much, Carys. And I look forward to the wrap, and then anything else that we might be able to do to help bring all of those ideas to life. So thanks very much.
Thank you.